So he's finally here. I got him. After years of struggling, looking to find this guy for a cheap price, we got Broly from Demoniacal Fit as the legendary Berserker. I'll be honest, when I pre-ordered this guy, I thought it was gonna be a scam, but no, it shipped pretty quickly, like within a month. So yeah, let's get into the opening. I was a little upset that the box is a little dinged up. The side of the box. A legendary Berserker. Some artwork. Or photos or whatever. Other side. Let's get into what everyone's here for. The real meat and potatoes. So it looks like he comes with a stand. And my goodness, this dude is huge. And I was kind of bummed out because I wasn't able to get the Beast Deities Broly. But I saw that Demoniacal Fit was coming out with this guy. And oh shoot. His leg wasn't attached. Alright, let's put the leg back on. That's fine. Oh my goodness. If I'm being completely honest, this guy feels really good. Really good in the hands. You might need a little bit of lubrication, a little bit of shock oil on the joints, but oh my gosh, he doesn't feel cheap at all. Let's see, I'm gonna put him right there. Let's just pose him real quick. Let's see if I can get him to stand by himself. There we go. And then for size comparison, I got Superhero Ultimate Gohan. And my goodness, he is massive. And he comes with extra face, a screaming face. Let's see. Let's see another one. His smirking face. His iconic smirk. Comes with some massive hands. Some grippy hands. With two of these. And then two open hands. But I have to say, just holding the figure in hand, he doesn't feel cheap at all. He feels premium. 100%. Like he's going in my display immediately. But yeah, the joints are actually very stiff, so be careful with that. I'll try switching the face. Seems like the hair comes off pretty easily. Bam. Bam. Look, now he's got a little smirk. It is a little, I'll say his face is a little off and does show more on camera, but it looks a lot better in person. It matches the neck a little more, but the shading like deep in the neck kind of makes it look off. But overall, great figure. Let's go into some articulation. We got the shoulder joints right here, butterfly joints, bicep swivel, a double jointed elbow. His hand seems to be on a ball joint. His head, it's got some pretty good articulation. Other elbow, chest crunch. His leg. Now he's got the toe articulation. He's got toe articulation, ankle. His waist rotates. His skirt is very articulated. Like even the center part moves around, and it's also a softer plastic, so it shouldn't mess with any of his articulation at all. But yeah, overall, I really like this figure. I was kind of bummed out I wasn't able to get any of the official SH Figure Arts one, but this, in my opinion, is just as good. And if I had to rate it, this figure, it'd be a 10 out of 10. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more like this, I got a bunch of other figures that just came out that I could review. Let me know if you want to see more, and thanks.